As Easter approaches, the Locked On team have given you a new Easter colouring competition email to be sent to your database. All of you will need to go into the engine. You'll then need to go into your packs, and in the packs area, the admin user will be able to hit the install or update the special events pack. Once in here, click update pack, and this will then install the new email template. Once completed, you'll be able to go into the engine, into your templates, and if you search Easter, you will see the Easter Colouring Competition 2024. Click on this and hit edit. The colouring competition will have a colouring PDF attached to it. You'll be able to see the text that we are writing inside the body here in the paragraph widget. What all of you must do is enter in the prizes that you want to give away. By hitting the edit option, go to the prizes area, and where it says type here, type in the prize you will give for first, second, third and your runners up. Once you have finished entering in your prizes, you can save the widget and then save and close the email template. It is highly suggested that you go into clients, find your test client and send that Easter Colouring Competition 2024 template to yourself as a test. Once you're happy with the test, go to all your clients, send, email, and you'll then load how many people in your database have an email address and type in the select template Easter and select the 2024 colouring competition. It will then load, and at the bottom you will have some sending options. You'll be able to send as a particular agent, or if you would like the email to come from the agent who is working the client, use your dynamic send as primary assigned, use the send now or send later to book it to send later in the future, and confirm how many people it's going to. In my case, I will need to confirm the number of 28 people and then hit send email. Once you have hit send, the Easter colouring competition will be delivered to all of the clients in your database with a valid email.